Tired of adventuring alone in Minecraft? Today, we're showing you how to tame a wolf and gain a furry friend for life. First, you'll need to find a wolf. They usually spawn in forests and taiga biomes, often in packs. Once you've spotted one, approach it slowly. You'll need bones to tame them. Bones are commonly obtained by defeating skeletons. Equip the bone and right-click on the wolf. You might need to feed it a few bones before you see hearts appear above its head. Those hearts mean success. A red collar will appear around its neck, confirming it's now your loyal companion. Now, let's give some commands. Right-clicking your tamed wolf will make it sit or stand. When standing, the wolf will automatically follow you on your adventures, attacking any mobs you attack. This makes them excellent protectors against skeletons, zombies, and other hostile mobs. If you tell it to sit, it will stay put until you tell it otherwise, making sure your base is guarded while you craft. So there you have it. Taming wolves is a simple way to enhance your Minecraft gameplay and add a loyal companion to your blocky world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks. Happy crafting!